Okay, let's do the rasgueo, okay? From 50, and let's see when we stop. Let's go. 1, 2, and... That's in night again, okay? That's all, guys. Do those 4 exercises every day. Just 5 minutes the first, 5 minutes the second, 5 minutes the third, and this is going to be 3 minutes, guys. It's going to be like no more than 18 minutes per day. So if you cannot do that, that's a minimum thing that you can do to improve your guitar day by day. Think that if you don't improve your techniques today a little bit better than yesterday, something bad is happening. Something bad are you doing? So please take care of that and try to increase a little bit the beats, okay, every day of your metronome. You have to use this app. If you don't know the app that I'm using, that's a free one. And it's on the app store of your mobile phone. Let me know and I will send you a tutorial that I have of that, okay? See you then, guys. Bye-bye.